Hey guys, I'm gonna be putting on LED headlights on my 2012 SRT Super B Charger. They currently come with the factory halogens. Some of them do have the options that are HID or like bi-xenons, but these came with the factory halogens, so I'm gonna switch them out to LEDs. Alright, so you're gonna pop your hood and you're going to go for the driver's side. To remove the headlight, it sits all the way down here at the bottom. So what you gotta do is remove the air filter right here, and on this side it sits right back here, right there at the back. Flux beams, these are actually were in my older charger, my SXT. They fit for both cars as long as they're halogens and not HIDs or bi-xenons. They will fit fine. It's just a plug and play, and this is how they look after installation. Maybe can't tell from the sun, but they're really bright at night. One of the best headlights on the market. It's a really easy install. Just be patient because it is some tight spots you gotta fit your hand in, and you'll be fine and you'll be all set. Thank you for watching.